Alrighty traders, so let's go have a look at the silver and gold market today. A bit of an update around silver and gold. What's going on through there? So the big thing I'm noticing right now when it comes to the silver market is this, right? Look at it, check this out. So the thing about the silver market is that we had a very big strong move up. We've got a bit of a drop to the downside, and now we're just sort of a lot of volatility right now when it comes to the silver price. Now, the big thing I'm noticing from the from silver right now is that we have started that real big move to the upside. I really believe that. But and the reason why I say that is this, okay? Is that you'll notice that the market goes through different phases. So the market will go through quiet phases, and then where there's no trend, right? Because there's either an uptrend, there's a downtrend, or there's no trend, right? So the market goes through these different phases. And so we can see here that all through here, this phase was no trend. And now look what's happening. Now we're starting to get what? Low. We're starting to get high low, and now we're having a very big move to the upside. So this could be the break that all the metals and miners investors have been waiting for when it comes to the actual stock market itself, the actual silver and gold itself. But the big thing you want to understand about silver guys, is that we do go through swings. And there's a lot of things out there right now about the silver breakout, because if you look at this weekly chart here, we notice that the weekly did finally, after all this time here, actually have a big breakout. And as you can see, we definitely had a very big, strong triangle pattern through here. So we finally broke out of this massive pattern through here. And now we're having a very big movement to the upside. So looking at this level through here, silver does look like that we may even have a little bit more movement to the upside. As you can see, we've got that sort of, that next major resistance level up there is around 34,000. So if I go back to my daily charts, we could actually possibly even have a little bit more movement to the upside. Let's go have a look at, that's the daily charts there. That's all I can go back on those charts here. I'm just looking at, let's actually bring this up through here. So one thing I'm noticing through here, guys, is that we have indeed had a big rally back to the upside. As you can see, if I bring this up, that's that point through there. That point all through there. And now we're actually going through here. So very, 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 very big, strong bullish movement to the upside, guys. But look at this through here. We can actually see that we've got this level all through here as well too, right? On the silver price. So I wouldn't be too surprised, guys, to see silver actually have a bit more of a pullback through here. We had a move up, then we had this pullback through here. Nice support. And where did it find? Look at this here. All through here. All the resistance now became support, and now we had this movement and broke above new highs, and we pushed above new highs, and that's where we're at right now, right? So we're going through this movement through here. So probably the $34 to $35 target is, for me, is what I'm looking at there. The one thing I'm sort of watching for is to see how this sort of plays out from here. If I look at my trend line, possibly even through there somewhere. So we may even get like another pullback from here, because you can see how that we have this move up, a move down, a move up, a move down, a move up. Are we about to go through here and then maybe have a move down and then a move back up? Or is it just going to continue up from here? Remember, traders, silver is a bit of a wildcat. So you want to make sure that the best times to get into a trade, guys, whenever you are trading, right? The best times to be getting into a trade is after that correction, right? After the short-term correction. So if you look at any good market out there, when the market goes up through here, and then we start to have this sort of pullback, this is the time you should be getting ready to try to jump into a trade, right? Because as the market goes through the next move, you want to try to jump in here. And that's what I personally do with my own personal trading. You can see that free trading course, the link in the description there, guys, that I'm giving away. But you can see here, right, up and then pullback, I'm trying to get in long here, right? Up, pullback, I'm trying to get long here. Up, pullback, I'm trying to get long here, right? So as you can see, So the purpose of me saying that is what the very big mistake that a lot of traders make out there is that that as we go through these bull markets like this here, let's actually start all over again. As we go through the bull markets, up, down, up, down, up, it may go up through here. A lot of amateur traders, because they don't understand how the markets actually work, right? We go through these swings. They're trying to go long here. They're trying to go long here. They're possibly even trying to go long right now with silver. And silver's already had a very, 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 very big movement to the upside. So remember, guys, silver's a wildcat too, right? Silver's like that. All right, I won't go there. I was going to say a bad joke, but anyway. Some of you guys say all my jokes are bad. It's okay, right? And then now moving on to gold as well too. Gold is really, really, really interesting because we did break above this high up here, as you can see. Look at this last 3 months. So gold right now is definitely in a very big, strong bull market. We broke above the high and now we're holding here. I'm expecting a lot more upside to come when it comes to gold through here. I'm just unsure about, because we had such a big movement to the upside, now we came down and now we're coming back up again. I don't think it's ready yet, guys, to actually have that movement, another movement now towards, say, 3,000. I ultimately see 10,000 gold, but that's probably over the next 5 years that I see 10,000 gold. But you know, from now to then, guys, on a short-term technical level basis, because I'd love to actually get into another good trade with gold, because as you guys know, right, I caught an incredible move from there to there when it comes to the gold market. Now we're just going through this big volatility, right? And this is where if you're trying to short-term scalp the markets, that's never a good idea, right? Never, ever a good idea. In that free trading course, guys, link in the description, I teach you my trading system. And the one thing you notice about your own trading, guys, is that especially like right now, right? If you're trying to scalp and trying to short term, it just never works, right? Like you're trying to go short gold here, or maybe you're trying to go long here, and then it's like short, long. Short-term swings or short-term trading, guys, has just, I don't know about you, but short-term trading has never, ever worked for me. And I see so many people, including myself, that when I start to go to more like a swing trading approach, or what I call my personal trading, is more about like a sniper approach, right? I'm snipering in the markets to try to look for these opportunities in the market. So one thing I do see, guys, probably, again, we had a very big movement to the upside. So I'm expecting possibly maybe even a bit of a false breakout here on gold. I mean, a false breakout is that we had this high up here, and then we had the break above the high there. I'm expecting maybe a bit of a pullback through here, and then not a big drop. Okay, false breakout above here, maybe a bit of a pullback through here, but we are getting these lows, significant high low, significant high low. So I'm expecting another high. This is a high low here, and this is another high low here. So I'm expecting this thing to actually have a really big movement to the upside coming real soon. But we need a bit more of a resting point, a bit more of a sideways movement for us to build more fuel, more steam before we get going again.